Hi everyone, welcome to the Gilbert household. This is me, Miss Tanya, and I'm going to be sharing with you some nutritious dishes. Oh, that rhymed. Anyway, we're all in quarantine, and so that sometimes means you make some things that you're not really used to, but you still can be healthy. So today I'm going to make cauliflower. Because as you know, you can't really go to the store as often as you might want to. And when we went shopping just before we went into quarantine, my daughter picked up what she found in the store, so she found cauliflower. So today we're gonna make roasted cauliflower. It says you need a head of cauliflower, but we have frozen cauliflower because that's what was available. You need red crushed peppers, a quarter of a teaspoon. You need a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. But if you don't have kosher salt and you're using regular table salt, you need to cut it in half. We also need some thyme, some olive oil, and it said cloves of garlic, but I have minced garlic. So what you have to do is you have to take the cauliflower and you put it on a baking sheet. Now remember, mine's frozen. Yours might be fresh. If you have it, use that. Now, because I'm home, I've already washed my hands. I always wash my hands before I cook. And I'm not wearing gloves, but I'm home. If you were cooking this for someone else, you should wear gloves, like we do during after school time. All right, so now we need to take olive oil. And you pour the olive oil over the cauliflower. And then you add your other ingredients. Then you're going to mix it all with your hands. And you're going to put it in an oven that's already preheated to 450 degrees. Then after that, we'll take it out and I'll snap a picture. And maybe my family will let you know how they think it tastes. We'll see. Again, remember, I don't usually eat cauliflower, but I'm trying it today. And you might find yourself trying some new foods as well. So, for those of you that have done Food and Fun with us, remember olive oil is a healthy fat. This is kosher salt, so it's a little bigger than regular table salt, but because we're putting other ingredients in there, it's going to be flavorful without a lot of salt. And then we have the hot pepper flakes. Just add a few more in there. Okay. And our final ingredient is thyme, and it asks for 2 teaspoons of thyme. I like herbs and spices, so I had all these at my house, but it might be something that you might need to go get. Okay, that's quick, easy. Now we mix it. We're going to put it in the oven, 450 degrees for 20 minutes or until they look nice and brown. I'll send a picture and I'll have my family tell you what they thought. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.